In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put Ventra card on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to use your iPhone instead of the physical card in the card reader to pay for your fares, then all that you have to do is download the Ventra application. The Ventra app will allow you to use the Ventra card inside of your Apple Wallet, allowing for contactless payments with your phone. So download the latest version of the Ventra app through the Play Store, and in there you will be able to sign into a pre-existing account or create a new one. If you have never used the app before, you will be able to go over to the cards section, tap the plus sign, and then add a new card. Follow the prompts and you will be able to add your pre-existing Ventra card to your Apple Wallet. Now, if you already have an existing card or you were able to add the card that you want to use, just tap on it, and immediately upon tapping on that card, you will see the button to add the card to an Apple Wallet. To my knowledge, this is the only way to be redirected into the Apple Wallet with all of the details about the card filled out. So once you tap on this button, like I mentioned, you will be redirected into the Apple Wallet and you will be able to get the card set up. Now, with all of the details in there, agree with the terms and the card will now be listed under the Apple Wallet. Whenever you board a bus and you want to issue a payment, all that you have to do is physically place your phone near the card reader. The Ventra card will be used and you can manage the balance, manage the fares, and the history using the app. You just have to tap on the card and you will be able to see all of those details listed. So it is extremely simple to set up and use. All that you have to do is download the Ventra app, sign in with your account, assign the cards to your account, and choose them from the list. You will see the button immediately and you will be automatically redirected into the Apple Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to put Ventra card on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.